In this tutorial, we'll show you how to share a YouTube video on your Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's say you just uploaded your first video to YouTube and want to promote it to your Instagram followers. To start, open up the YouTube app and hit the U icon in the bottom right to access your videos. From there, scroll down to your videos and you can either choose one of these or you can just use any video on YouTube. In this tutorial, I'm going to use this new video from my favorite YouTuber, BozHub. To access any of the videos to share, you just want to hit this three-dot button in the bottom right of that video, hit the share icon, and then hit copy link. From here, you have two options. You can either take a screenshot of the video for the story background, or when you head on to Instagram, hit the little plus icon in the bottom, go to story, and then just take a picture. That would also work. Now just hit the sticker icon in the top of the screen and find the link option just like so, and in this you can paste that link that you copied from YouTube. In the top right there's a done option. Go ahead and select that, and then it'll customize this YouTube link right here, or if you click on it, it'll take you directly to your new YouTube video or whatever video you just shared to your story. When you're happy with how it looks, press your story to share it. You can customize it so it also shares directly to your Facebook story if you have your accounts linked. And that's it. Your YouTube video is now linked to your Instagram story. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments and subscribe for more.